So, what's up, guys? Two things I have to talk about today. One thing is a meetup, and the other thing is a certain amount of subscribers. And we'll get to the meetup later. Subscribers. We just hit 300 subscribers. Fucking hell, guys. We had been around 290 for a long time. 300 subscribers. 301 actually. But holy shit. When I started this channel, I never expected this, and because I have been tremendously inactive on YouTube the past few months, which mostly has to do with the internship and now exams coming up. Already had a couple exams actually. It's not priority number one, but 300 subscribers is just... That is more than 10 times what I expected to ever get. So thank you for each and every one of you guys who support me in what I do, even though I haven't done much lately, but still thank you so much, guys. And if you've been following my channel for quite some time, you might know that I do giveaways. I've done 2 before. The first one at 100 subscribers, the second one at 200 subscribers, and you probably know where I'm going with this. Yes, I will be doing another giveaway. I will make a separate video about that with details. I still have to think about what I'm going to do exactly. Last 2 times I let you guys comment and I picked out a random person. I might do something else. I might not, but I'll figure that out soon enough. The meetup. As you guys know, Meifesto hosts, most of the times I think he's a host 2 each year. One in May, one in September. Usually around those times. So we have one coming up again. It's not just for people that ride, it's basically for anybody watching this. If you want to come meet us, because it's going to be me and Meifesto. What the fuck is he doing over there? Okay. You don't see that every day. But subscribers, random bikers, whoever the hell you are, just come along, it's always fun. We will be meeting up at a McDonald's in Barendrecht, which is close to Rotterdam. I will put a link to the Google Maps location in the description, so you guys can find it. And the date is the 18th of May. And we will meet up around 10:30. There'll probably be some guys a bit earlier, but around 10:30, that's when most of us will be there. But it's gonna be me, Meifesto, probably riding Dutch again. He's pretty much always been there. I hope Tony's gonna come along. I'm not sure. I hope so. It's usually around 10, 12 bikers. Clockboy might be there. It's a bunch of guys. If you know my channel, you probably know them as well. So it's always fun to come out and hang out with us, grab a bite at McDonald's, and if it's gonna be weather like this, yeah, we're definitely getting ice cream. And we will, so most likely all be there around 10:30, and we will ride out at 11 or around 11, pretty much when everybody finishes their burgers and ice cream and everything. So yeah, a short little update. I will do another, because I recently uploaded a little sneak preview of the bike. Gorgeous little Shelby. Yes, that's her name. The blue with white stripes. You probably know where I got the name from. But I'll do a proper walk around, sort of ride review-ish thing. Oh God, you gotta love this thing.